Is your Android phone's battery draining faster than normal? In this guide, I'll show you 5 simple settings you can change to reduce battery drain and help your phone last much longer every day. Method 1. Turn on power saving mode. Start by opening the settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap battery, then select power saving. Turn power saving mode on. Once enabled, your phone limits background activity, reduces unnecessary features, and optimizes performance to save power. It's one of the quickest ways to extend battery life, especially when you're running low on charge. Method 2. Close background apps. Next, close apps you're no longer using. Open the recent apps screen and swipe away any unnecessary apps. For even better results, head to Settings, tap Battery, then Background Usage Limits. Add apps you rarely use to sleeping apps or deep sleeping apps. This stops them from running in the background and wasting battery. Method 3. Lower screen brightness. The display uses a large amount of battery throughout the day. Open Settings, tap Display, then adjust the brightness slider to a lower level. You can also turn on Adaptive Brightness, which automatically adjusts the screen based on your surroundings. Even a small reduction in brightness can noticeably improve battery life. Method 4. Reduce screen timeout. Another helpful setting is reducing how long your screen stays on. Go to Settings, open Display, then tap Screen Timeout. Choose a shorter option like 30 seconds. This makes your display turn off sooner when you're not using it, helping your battery last longer. Method 5. Keep your phone updated. Finally, make sure your software is up to date. Open Settings, scroll down to Software Update, and tap Check for updates or download and install. If an update is available, install it. Software updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and battery optimizations that can reduce unnecessary power usage. Those are 5 easy ways to fix battery drain on your Android phone. Try them all and enjoy better battery life every day.